To import a range of cells from a different Google spreadsheet, use Importrange. Go to the spreadsheet with the data you want to export. Highlight and copy its URL. Return to the document and section where you want the data to appear. Create an import range formula and surround the URL with quotation marks. After a comma, specify the range of cells you want to import from the original document and surround that range with quotation marks. Multiple import range formulas can be used to import cells from additional documents.